welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Dynamic Piano Studio family. If you're a returning friend, hey, we're going to continue the journey. So here you have your two black keys. Just a quick review from last class. We had C, D, and E. And then again, we found C, D, and E, and C, D, and E. You actually see from this little video above that it has all the C's marked as well. So that is something that's very useful to you as you're learning to identify these white keys. Today, we're going to learn the next white key group, which is going to be found from our three black keys. Now here we have F, G, A, and B. Now remember, I don't know if you recall, I did mention in the previous video that I'm going to use the two black key group to identify C and the three black key group to identify F. We call these guide notes, so you don't have to learn all the notes at the same time. I guarantee eventually it will become second nature. But at the beginning stage, if you simply remember C and F, and keep in mind that our musical alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then you'll always be able to find the next notes. So we go by the English alphabet where we have C. If you have C, you know D and E. Now for today, if you know F, you know G, A, and B. And you can go ahead and find a few F's on your keyboard with me. F, then I have another group of three black keys, F. Another lower group, F, and then you have another one, F. Now we're going to start with our right hand and play a simple warm-up where you're going to start low on your piano and you're going to play with fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. We're simply going to play and say F, G, A, and B. This will help with your body-mind connection. I'll play first. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. All right, join in. Now it's time for we play. So 1, 2, right hand play. F, G, A, B. Next. F, G, A, B. Next. F, G, A, B. Let's do it one more time. Next. F, G, A, B. Now it's time for you to pause, practice through that right hand only, and come on back. How'd it go? Getting familiar with your keyboard. Let's try it with your left hand now. Remember, the left hand makes an L. That's what I'm doing. So left hand, we're going to start up high, and we're going to work our way 4 times down our pianos. So now it's opposite. The beauty of music is that we learn easily our alphabet forwards and backwards. So it's B, A, G, F. I'll play. B, A, G, F. B, A, G, F. B, A, G, F. B, A, G, F. We play. 1, 2, left hand start. B, A, G, F. Next. B, A, G, F. Next. B, A, G, F. And last. B, A, G, F. Hey, great job. Remember, now is your time to pause and practice. Run it through about 2, 3, 4 times. The more the better, so that you can start to memorize and internalize those notes and come on back. Let's jump into some theory study. Now, theory doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to be hard. I'm going to walk you through what I'm providing you with down in the description box below. You'll actually have a place with a specially programmed exercise for you to practice the notes that we went through today. Now, I have already preset all of what you need, so you don't have to figure things out or go straight to the website. This is a free website for practice. However, they do have an app that is available as well. I believe it's around $2.99 where you can work through it. But again, this is a great system here because it's already set to what we're practicing. So take a look. It's going to open up as a challenge unless you've opened it up before, then it will already open up to your exercise. Now down at the bottom, you're going to see that you actually have the 4 notes that we covered today: F, G, A, and B. Now I want you to keep in mind that we had our 3 black keys that were actually helping us to identify F, right? So anytime you have 3 black keys, to the left, you have F. So if you know F, then you'll work your way from F to G to A, and finally, where this red dot is, that will be B. So you simply click on the note that it is. So if you look down below, it actually is helpful because it says F, G, A, B. Those are the order of the notes that you have right there on the keys. So again, here you're identifying where the red dot marks. So you have F, G, A. So you go ahead and click A. Next one, F, G, right? Using F as your guide until these become second nature. And finally, we find our way for an F. At the top, you'll see it's keeping score as well as your percentage. So it's a great way to see how well you're doing as you work through this. Now at the very top right, there will be 3 dots. If you click those 3 dots, you'll be able to end the challenge. Now here it will give you your score, your high score, as well as how long it took you to play this through. If you hit the view report, it will give you an entire report of what you did, question limit, multiple, how I've set up the actual activity for you. Feel free to post your highest score in the comments below. I'd love to see how you're doing as well as celebrate your progress as you're learning. One more thing, once you hit start challenge, it's going to be a fresh score and percentage at the top. It will reset the time as well. Let's say you hit the wrong note. If you hit the wrong note, it actually is set to give you multiple attempts. So the idea is that I don't want you to miss the notes that you don't know. So then this will take you and give you the opportunity to look once more and say, okay, what note is this? Not an F. F is on the left of my 3 black keys. F, G, A. Aha, we have an A here. And then so on and so forth. And see if you can beat your score. Each one is actually set to 20 questions. So once you're done, you'll be able to see the last score. You click on that and it's out of 20 questions. So I hope you have an awesome time working through the theory. You can do it as many times as you wish. So why not practice it through and keep going and getting better at these notes before we move into some rhythm and finally the staff. It has been an absolute honor working through F, G, A, and B on the white keys with you today. I am here. I cannot wait to see you again next week. Have an incredible rest of your day.